Hello everyone, this is Emily Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Welcome to Double Bay Residences, a luxurious condominium located in Tampines District 18. Today, we would like to show you a 3-bedroom unit that's currently available for sale. Come, let's go! When stepping into the unit, you first be greeted by this foyer space beautifully designed with a ceramic flooring. This leads to our expansive open-concept living space, a contemporary design and comfort that makes for truly interconnected living. Here at our balcony, take in the breathtaking panoramic view of surrounding estate with a low-rise estate and modern high-rise with a greenery. Our efficient kitchen design features built-in oven and hob system along with plenty of functional cabinet for storage while still giving plenty of space to walk around. The 2 guest bedrooms are spacious, easily fitting queen-size beds with also have large window here, letting in an abundance of natural lights. Our master suite is lavish, having ample space to fit a king-size bed and a full-height wardrobe to store your various fashion items. Our master ensuite is large with a separate shower. Double Bay Residences offer residents a range of high-end amenities, including a tennis court, library, a sparkling swimming pool, and even a golf practice corner. We are located only 5 minutes walk from Simei MRT on the East-West line. What's more, being just a stone throw away from Changi Business Park means that commuting to work has never been easier. There are plenty of stores built within development, including provision shop, hair salon, tuition center, and even laundry service. For more food and shopping options, you can head down to East Point Mall, which houses fair price for your grocery needs, and Simei Plaza, both located right next to Simei MRT. Changi City Point and Bedok Shopping Complex are also short drive away, offering various dining and retail options. On the weekend, surround yourself with nature at Simei Park, away from hustle and bustle of work and city life. There are also a range of good schools nearby like Anakan High, Diamond Secondary, and Singapore University of Technology and Design, all within 2-kilometer radius. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Double Bay Residence. If you are interested in this stunning 3-bedroom unit or any other properties in the world-class condominium, please contact us to schedule a viewing. Once again, I'm Emily Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, signing off.